Welcome to this video where I will show you a little about what we have added of new features in Figaf integration regression testing tool. My name is Daniel Gervers and I'm a SAP PI PO developer, and I really wanted a test tool, and this tool is what I always wanted to use whenever I went and did any testing. Let me just explain a little about what the tool does. So you're able to record messages from any productive system. You just select what ICO you want, select the number of messages you want to record from this system, and then the next 5 or 10 messages processed there will be sent to your test system. Then you can set up a test case as test scenario where you're describing what you want to do with this. Then you can run the test as many times as you like on your test system and verify that you're getting the same result as you expected. And then, the verification, you can verify it and you're able to ignore certain fields in the messages. One new feature we just added is the ability for you to group different tests together. So you have a set of tests that relate to your ERP system or a certain integration. Then you can group these all together or just make one global group with all your messages. And then you can create nightly jobs that would run these tests to make sure that they are always giving the same error. So it gives you an idea about how you can organize your tests even better. So here we have the IRT application. We have agents, objects, where we're able to connect to our productive system and fetch messages from it. We have the test cases, and this is where we have selected what are the specific test cases we want to deal with this time. So we have this one. We can either select run tests, and this would run these tests, and we would see a result here. We can go and see the details about this result, and if there's any differences, we'll be able to see those. What I wanted to show you now is we have the ability to add this to a specific template. So you can either create your own new template or you can add it to an existing template. So we have created one here on our system, and we just want to go directly to it afterwards. So we say save. And we get the information that this one has been updated. So we can see this one has been created. And we are able to add more tests if we want to. We can select here. We can see what are the different messages we want to have in this one. And then these are added to this template. If we press save, we can save it. And we can see when this was run last time. And if we want, we can open the report, and the report would show when it was run, what are the messages, test case ID, give us access to download the messages, and what was the differences, what was the expected payload and the actual payload that we received. And we can then say, oh, there was an error here, we got 4, why did we get that? And then you can go and trace and figure out what was wrong with it. But this gives you an idea to run a lot of test cases every night to be able to see what was wrong. I hope you enjoyed that video. You are able to get a free trial of IRT and read more about the application if you go to figaf.com/IRT. If you have any questions, please post them to dgr@figaf.com.